Hello guys, welcome to Sammy Tex. If this is the first time watching my video, please don't forget to like, comment and share after watching. And the most important thing is for you to subscribe and click on the notification button for you to be notified whenever I post a new video. In this video, I'm going to talk about Villari, a new earning platform that just came up, and I decided to come online and share it with you guys so that you guys can also benefit from it. This is an earning platform that you invest $25 and get $44 after 55 days. And you are not making any deposit, you are not using your money to invest, you are using their own money which they give you as a sign up bonus. You use the $25 to invest in the app and wait for it to boom. Okay, you are not spending anything and you are not wasting much data. It's just for you to just sign up and invest with the $25 they gives you as a referral, sign up bonus. That's just it. Okay, so what you just need to do now is to click on the sign up button and fill in your information. First, you're gonna fill in your full name, which I'll be using any name. Just it's just for the tutorial purpose. Okay, then put in your nickname, anything. You can put in anything there you wish. The next is to put in your email address. Okay, when you fill in your email address, when you put in your email address, you need to fill in your password. Okay, so you just fill in your password. Just put anything you can, just the password you can remember. Okay, that's just the process. Then you already have my referral link. I That means like I referred you. Okay, Samson Bitrus, that's my name. Then after putting in your password and confirming that your details are all correct, then click on I am not a robot, then register. Okay, click on the registration button. It will take you to your dashboard. So this is your dashboard. As you can see, you have earned $25 as a bonus, okay, from the app. So the next thing to do is click on that three line and click on start investing. When you click on start investing, you can see that you earn 2.3.2% daily, and every 2 hours you're gonna earn 0.266%, which is about 0.07 cents. So if you calculate it times 24 hours a day, that means 0.80. And after the 55 days, you're gonna earn $44, which is huge amount of money if you convert it to your local currency. Okay, so just click on open from bonus balance to invest using your bonus balance and click on pay now. Wait for it to load and boom, you have invested okay in the plan. So go back to your dashboard and you see that you have zero bonus balance. But if you come down to your investment balance, you're going to see your total investment is 25. Okay, so the advantage here is that the more you refer, the more you earn. Each person you refer, you're going to earn 0.25 cents. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope this will help you gain something before the end of this month or next month. I remember that the more you refer, the more you earn. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification button to get notified whenever I post a new video. And if you have any question about the platform, just drop a comment below and I'll get back to you within some minutes. Thank you.